All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the fresh arrest spree unleashed by the Indian forces against the Kashmiri youth in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar said the continued cordon and search operations and detentions under black laws by the Indian forces pose threat to the Kashmiris who are bearing the brunt of the Hindutva agenda of the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian regime in the occupied territory. Authorities have once again placed all parties Hurriyat Conference senior leader Mirwais Umar Farooq at his residence in Srinagar today. The purpose of the house detention is to prevent him from delivering the Friday sermon and offering the prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid in Srinagar. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party is deliberately fueling communal tensions to divert attention from the pressing public issues. Mufti, talking to reporters in Srinagar, said that the BJP thrives on polarizing the society and targeting the Muslims to further the political agenda. People's Conference leader and the member of the Assembly in occupied Kashmir, Sajjad Ghani Lone, has strongly criticized the reservation policy, saying that through this policy, the attempt is being made to marginalize the Kashmiri-speaking people. Sajjad Ghani Lone, during his speech in the Assembly, said that the reservation policy is designed to reduce the presence of the Kashmiri speakers in the administrative and the political structure of the territory. Body of a missing youth was found in the Kulgam district. One of the three youth, Riaz Ahmed Bajad, who went missing under mysterious circumstances after the trio disappeared, has been found dead from the Vaisho Nala in the Ma area of the Kulgam district.